to delete Faceit account permanently. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete your Faceit account permanently. So if you want to delete your Faceit account permanently, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to the Faceit website and log in with your credentials. Just go for your browser or Chrome and search for the Faceit here. So once you have searched for the Faceit, you have to just go for the Faceit.com. Once you are on your Faceit.com, you have to log in with your credential here. And on the top you can see the login, and you have to just tap on the login, and they are verifying that you are human or not. And you have to write your email address and password here. So once you have write your email address, you can write your password here. So once you are here, you can see that you have been successfully logged into your account. So once you have been logged into your account, so if you want to delete your account, you have to click on your profile icon or username, which is usually located at the upper right corner of the page. And you have to select the account setting or setting from the drop down menu here. Just click on the three dot icon and you can go for your account or account setting. Just tap on your account or account setting. While you are on your account setting, you have to navigate to your account management. So if you find your account management here, just go for your account management. So if you haven't verified your email, just go for the verify your email and just go back and go to your Gmail here, and you have to copy that code from your Gmail to verify your Gmail on your Faceit. Just go and copy that code and go back, and here you can see your Faceit. Just go and submit this. After that, you can see that your email has been verified here. So on your browser, you can't find any delete account. You have to go back and you have to download the Faceit app on your mobile device. Just go for your Play Store or Apple Store and search for the Faceit here. Once you have searched for the Faceit, if you haven't downloaded the Faceit app on your mobile device, just go and download it and launch this app on your mobile device. And you have to enter your credential to log into your account. Once you have the login, just go for the three-line option which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and go for the account here. Once you are on your setting account, you have to just scroll down and you can find the delete account and just tap on the delete account, and you have to write your password to delete your account. So you are about to permanently delete your Faceit account. Once deleted, your account will be unrecoverable and permanently deleted. So just write your password. Once you have write your password, just go for the delete account here, and you can once you have write your password, just go for the delete account and you can successfully delete your account of your Faceit. So here you can see that your account was deleted successfully. So here you can see that with the help of this simple step, you can easily delete your Faceit account permanently. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.